What's up, guys? My name is Zach, and I help non technical people bring their software ideas to life. And boy, have I found an epic way to do that today. I don't know if you guys have built AI agents or automations before, but this is N8N. This is one of my automations that I built recently, and it looks insane, right? There's a million nodes, wires connecting to different things just to produce the result I want it to produce. And it took me hours, it's headaches. And I realized like if you're non-technical, this is a hard thing to do. And I just discovered the software called Lindy, and I'm about to test it out for the first time today. I've never tried it. It looks cool. Usually you just put English words in and it spits out an AI agent apparently. And this is really cool if you're a vibe coder or you're building software because you can build backend automations that are your kind of algorithm that will connect and webhook into your software. So if you can vibe code automations and backend stuff to connect to your front end that you vibe coded, it makes your software really, really powerful. So I'm going to test it today for the first time. It looks like there's a bunch of templates you can choose from to generate leads, build recruiting agents, engineers, Q&As, email stuff, bunch of stuff. I'm on my free trial right now. It's a 7-day free trial, so we're gonna give it a go, see what it can do, and let's try it. So one of the suggested tabs here is customer support email. So it automatically puts that in there. So let's just do that and see what it comes up with. I want an agent that will monitor my support inbox and help answer customer support questions using a knowledge base. The agent doesn't know the answer to the question. It should escalate the question via a Slack DM. Okay, let's see what happens. You can upload files, it looks like. All right, let's just send it and see what the fuck happens. All right, it's loading. Cool. It's starting to build it. This reminds me of vibe coding big time. It's probably going to ask a few questions, I'm assuming, to get more clarity. Okay, build agent. It's loading. Let's see. Okay, here we go. I like the UI so far. It seems pretty user friendly. Okay, this is a trigger. Okay, what is it saying here? It's just kind of telling me what it's going to build: a support inbox, Slack escalation, and a knowledge base. So I guess it wants me to answer questions. So, what email provider? All right, we're going to use Gmail. So I'll just do this: 1, Gmail; 2, who should receive the Slack DM when a question needs to be escalated. Okay, let's just use my email. And then, do you already have content prepared for your knowledge base, or we'll be setting that up after we create the agent? Okay, I'll set up the knowledge base after. All right, let's see if it takes that information and does something with it. Perfect. I'll help you create a customer support assistant that monitors your Gmail inbox. This is crazy if this works because this is super technical stuff. And if it's doing stuff like this automatically with just a couple prompts, like insane. You can bring a ton of value to clients if you're someone who has an AI automation agency or if you're just building stuff for your own business. Okay, now it's kind of laying out the workflow. When an email is received, okay, if the knowledge base contains a good answer, okay, it's just, yeah, so that's what we want. Yes. So it looks like it does a little questioning beforehand, which is good to get more clarity on what you're exactly trying to build. And I haven't done anything physically yet, but it looks like I can do stuff on my own if I need to manually on the right, but it's doing a lot of it automated. So I'm just going to allow it to do that and not interfere. Okay. Updating the settings, getting action details. All right. It's doing stuff. It's doing things. What is all this? Undo, redo. Okay. You can test it, flow editor, settings. It seems like pretty simple. So it's thinking. I'm gonna let it think. Oh shit, just popped out a bunch of workflow stuff here. And if anything, it's building like the foundational structure to it. and you can go in and tweak it a little bit, but it's so convenient how it just builds the structure for you so you don't have to do too much thinking of how to build it. Okay, so obviously you got to connect your Gmail and Slack accounts, so that's where you would do this here. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Okay, cool. And now connect Slack. I don't know what my Slack login is, but I can connect that another time. Let's see if I can just continue without connecting Slack. See what happens. Let's see if it lets me. Okay, looks like it needs additional permissions for Gmail. Let's take a look at the automation here because it's showing my Gmail is connected. So, okay, you can select your model. That's pretty cool. Very, very cool. This is where I'd put my knowledge base in. Looks like I can train up my own knowledge base within Lindy, which is nice. I don't have to like connect it third party. Okay, answer found, reply with a helpful answer. Okay. It seems pretty easy to use. Get task URL. Okay, and then it would escalate it to Slack. So it's a pretty fairly simple workflow, but imagine how valuable this would be for any business that does customer service and does it all manually. This would only escalate the stuff that really matters, and then all the automated emails and everything for customer service would take care of the FAQs and repetitive stuff they get. So I like this. I think I'm just going to keep messing with it, creating stuff and testing it and it ends super cool. I'm still going to continue using it for more advanced stuff, but this is a lot easier. And imagine if you're like building out a software and you create a custom automation on the back end just by using words and you webhook it to your front end. And let's say you sell that as like a package deal to a client, like that could be insanely valuable. You can upsell it and you can do it fairly quickly using Vibe coding and Vibe AI agent creation. So love to see that the AI agent world is getting easier to build because these things can be really complicated, especially connecting all the right APIs and logging into different accounts and all that stuff. So yeah, this is pretty dope. So if you haven't tried it, go ahead and try it. Again, I'm not affiliated in any way. I just thought it was cool. Thought I'd try it. Think it would be helpful for no-code creators. And yeah, if you like this video, go ahead, comment, subscribe, give me a like, give me a thumbs up. I'm a newer channel, so I'm trying to help more people get more of these tools out there so people can create really cool shit. So if you haven't already, join my community, Ideas to Life, No Code Creators. It's going to be in the link below, completely free. I'm hosting live trainings every Monday. I do a Vibe sesh. Every Wednesday, I do a Vibe Coding 101. I'm going to be doing more, posting different tools I'm using, just collaborating with other people that want to create and build software. So hop in the group. Right now it's free. If you want to book a call with me, you can as well. Creative Jam Sesh right here, and we can chat, we can jam, and we can create, and it'll be super fun. So with that, cheers, guys. Talk to you later.